Hi and welcome to this guide about mattress settlement. My name's Ryan and I'm the founder of John Ryan by Design. In this short guide I'll be discussing settlement and how to look after your mattress. Depending on the mattress size and type and also how you use it, you may notice at some point that some areas have settled more than others. There is no need to worry about this unduly. It can be remedied and minimised. The most common scenario is where you have a king size or super king size mattress. Due to the increased sleeping area available, the centre of the mattress may settle at a slower rate than the areas used most. This is just because the centre of the bed is not being used and it does even out with time. It's a bit like getting a 3-seater sofa for 2 people and only ever sitting on either end. Inevitably, the end seats will bed in quicker than the middle seat. It doesn't mean that the middle seat is faulty, it just hasn't been used as much. Eventually though, it will catch up with regular turning and rotation. To look after your mattress and even out settlement, your mattress needs to be turned once a month, every month. You should initially flip the mattress over from north to south so that you're sleeping on the opposite side of the mattress with your head where your feet were the previous month. The following month you should flip it over again, but this time east to west, meaning this time you'll be sleeping on the side your partner was sleeping on the previous month. This regular routine will ensure that both sides of the mattress will settle evenly over time. So remember, it's flip north to south one month, then flip east to west the following month, and your mattress will serve you for many more years to come. Don't forget you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides like this, and you can find our website at johnryanbydesign.co.uk. Sleep well.